Yes, no. See, I'm frying up. Look at the season. Look at it. Look at it. Look the fragrance of it. You have onion, scallion, tomato, and you can see it. Okay? This is a ackee. This is a saltfish frying up. I do my own different. I fry my saltfish up. I fry my saltfish up. That you can see. Okay? Yes. The saltfish have a little fry. Okay? Then I throw my seasoning in. Let the season fry up. You can see it. Yes. Yes. In God's name I do my thing. Yes. This is it. I'm frying up my season. And you can see it. Yes. Look at it. Ackee and saltfish. One little tata file. Not another file. You don't need another file. You need a little bit more olive oil. Just the virgin olive oil I use. You see it? Virgin olive oil. Virgin olive oil. Yeah. See it? Yeah. One little tap. One little tap. Yeah. Fry up my thing now. Yes. So like it, share, touch, don't forget to touch the notice button to tell a friend, to tell a friend. This is the way you do your ackee and your saltfish. Okay? Okay? Look at it. Good and nice and pretty. Okay. Yes. Yes. Look at the fragrance of it, man. Boy. Look at the fragrance of it, man. Burn the place. Yeah. See? I put in a little bit of black pepper. You can see. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So run, like it, share it, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. So touch the notice button to remind them this is Auntie Claire ackee and saltfish. Look at it. Yes. You can see it. Ackee and saltfish. I don't use a lot of black pepper. I don't like black pepper. I use a real Scotch bonnet pepper. You can see it. Scotch bonnet pepper. I'd rather to use that one. Okay? And this is it. Auntie Claire. Subscribe, like it, share it. Thank you this morning. As we wake up in God's word, to love, like, no hatred, no bad mind, no wicked thought. We just have love to share with our one another. Love, share with our one another. So subscribe this Ackee and saltfish this morning, 26th of June. Ackee and saltfish, nothing like and sweet and that. We whole time Jamaican ackee and saltfish national dish. run it down. Come and touch it. Thank you very much. God bless you. So remember again, like it, share it, subscribe, and touch the notice button to tell a friend. This morning, ackee and saltfish dinner. All wheat dumpling. Yes. Good and nice and sweet. Okay? Thank you very much. God bless you. Here we go now. God bless you.